Morning students, I hope you all are doing well, and today we are going to solve this practice set 3.3. So question number 1 is given here, and in this question that this angle is given as 50 degree and this angle is 60 degree, and we need to find this angle x, angle y, and also the angle ABD and ACD. Okay, we have already learned about the theorem of isosceles triangle. Okay, if the two sides of a triangle are congruent, then the angles opposite to them are also congruent angles. Okay, and therefore if one angle is 50 degree, that means this angle is also going to be 50 degree. That is the answer. So we are going to start writing. In triangle ABC, okay, this side AB is congruent to side AC, and therefore by theorem of isosceles triangle, you have to write properly, don't forget it. Okay, this angle ABC is congruent to angle ACB, but this angle ACB is 50 degree, therefore this angle ABC is going to be 50 degree. This is 1. Okay, now we also need to find out this angle ABD. So angle ABD is the sum of angle ABC plus angle CBD. Since this is 50 degree and this one is 60 degree, we get the total angle as 110 degree. Okay, so similarly you are going to solve this angle Y and angle ACD. Okay, so in triangle BDC, I am going to write that the side BD is congruent to side CD. That is already given. Reason you have to write. Okay, so therefore by this theorem of isosceles triangle, what we can write is, we can write that the angle DBC is congruent to angle DCB, but this angle DCB is given as angle DBC is given as 60 degree, and therefore this angle DCB is going to be 60 degree. Okay, so when we find out this angle ACD, it is going to be the sum of angle ACB plus angle DCB. Okay, and this angle ACB is 50 degree plus this angle ADC, that means angle Y, is equals to 60 degree. We have just found out from this, and we get the total angle as 110 degree. And that's it. I hope you have understood. Now the second question is, the length of the hypotenuse is of a right angle triangle is 15. Then find the length of the median of its hypotenuse. Now let's assume that this right angle triangle is triangle ABC. Okay, and this BD is the length. Now this length of this hypotenuse AC is given as 15. So length of AC is given as 15, and we need to find the length of BD. And this BD is also median of this triangle. And we have learned that the median is equals to 1/2 of its hypotenuse. So if you substitute the value of AC, we get 7.5 BD. So you can write the length of the median is 7.5. So here is the question number 3 and question number 4. In the question number 3, we need to find the median. Okay, one angle is 90 degree and one this length is 12. Okay, and you will be suppose this is a triangle. I'm just going to explain you. So this is right angle triangle. Sorry about the sketch. PQR. This both lengths are given, so you will find out the length of this hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem, and then you know that the median, this QS, is half of this hypotenuse, and that's how you are going to solve this. Okay, this is your homework. And in this diagram, okay, in the last question, this G, my hands are shaking, sorry. This point G is the point of concurrence of medians of the triangle. If GT is equal to 2.5, if this GT is equals to 2.5, then we need to find the length of this PG and PT. Okay, so in this you have to apply all your knowledge and whatever we have learned till now, and you will be doing this as homework. Okay, so I hope you have no doubts till now. I'll see you in the Google Meet.